Hello and welcome to today's YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find an opening that you like to play. It personally took me basically 2 years to find my favorite opening, which is now the Jobava London. Of course I obviously played openings before that since I've watched chess players play chess and I just kind of follow in their footsteps. So the first chess YouTuber I watched was Gotham Chess. So basically the first opening that I knew how to play was the Caro-Kann, which is a good opening to play. And I basically played the Caro-Kann all the way up until I was 1600 on chess.com. It's a good opening, but it just wasn't my style, but it helped me with my basics, and it is really easy to play, and a lot of times you just get a better position against players, since you can straight up just win pawns like all day playing the Caro-Kann against people below 1600. It's really easy. And then I also played, I wouldn't say until I was 1600, but I used to play the Vienna. So this is the Vienna. Here comes the Vienna Gambit, which I would also play. And obviously this is the Vienna Gambit, and you're already completely winning on move 4, which is nice. But I only really played this until I was like 1300. I didn't really enjoy playing it that much, to be honest. So I would instead play the London system. I switched to the London system, probably played that till I was like 14 or 1500. And then basically ever since then, I was playing the 4-Knight Scotch. You may have seen me play this, but I used to play the 4-Knight Scotch since I was watching Daniel Naroditsky at that point, and he likes to recommend the 4-Knight Scotch. But yeah, I don't really play this anymore. It got me like really boring positions that were like objectively a draw, and they were a little not very interesting to play, and you kind of had to play accurately in order to win. Other than that, basically I found my opening as black just by myself, and how I found this was, well, Daniel Naroditsky recommended the Sicilian Dragon, which is, or the Accelerated Dragon, which is just this, and I have videos about this. I think I have just a couple videos about how to play the Accelerated Dragon. And basically this is the Accelerated Dragon. You want to put your bishop out on g7. There's some theory behind it, but I know a decent amount, and this goes into my next point. You can very easily learn how to play an opening on Chessable. And I'm just going to switch my scene real quick just to show you guys. You can find free courses like everywhere. Like, for example, I searched up the Caro-Kann real quick, and look, Caro-Kann starter kit, Caro-Kann for club players, and the most common type of free courses, which are honestly most of the time the best, are short and sweets. They're literally like free pieces of actual, like, you pay $60 for a course, or I guess, I don't know, $30. Pay $30 for a course, but instead you get a short and sweet, which is free, and you get like a decent amount of that course just for free. And that's what I did with the accelerated Dragon. Spelled that badly. But this is the one I have, the short and sweet Accelerated Dragon by FM Camille Plichta. And that's what I have. If you download this course and study it all, you'll notice that I literally like follow all this course's theory. I've been planning to make my own Accelerated Dragon course on Chessable, like a private course, so I can study it myself and just learn a lot more about the dragon, since it doesn't cover everything, but it still has quite a good repertoire in general. So yeah, if you just want to learn a course with that method, it's so easy to do that, and I highly recommend doing that if you want to learn a course. Of course, no pun intended. But now that I've learned the Jabava London, I actually purchased a course from Daniel Naroditsky and GM Bortnick, and they basically give you like a giant PGN, which is a chess notation file. It's essentially what you can just plug into chess.com, for example, and it'll like give you a game. Yeah, I have the PGN, and I basically just plugged it all into Chessable so I can study and memorize it with spaced repetition. So I'm still learning it since there's quite a lot to memorize. I believe there's like more than 500 lines I have to memorize. But yeah, if you wanna learn an opening, just go to Chessable. There's most likely a free course on it, and just learn that. Learn a free course. If you don't enjoy the opening after learning it for a little bit, then hey, guess what? You haven't invested anything in it. Find another free course. It's really that simple. If you watch a chess YouTuber play what they recommend, if you don't like it, again, maybe just find a different chess YouTuber and see what they recommend. Yeah, I definitely think that you need to enjoy the openings that you play, because otherwise you can get quite bored or unmotivated, and you just won't play as much. So if you enjoy the openings you like I do, Jabava London is my very, very favorite opening, and it's just a very, very fun opening to play. Yeah. If you find an opening that you love, then comment down below. I want to know what it is. Maybe I'll make a video about it. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.